everyone is aware that potholes are a major problem. 1 in 5 of the UK's roads needs urgent treatment now to halt the deterioration of the nation's road network. Potholes appear due to a lack of maintenance and are a serious hazard, and in some cases, a significant safety concern. Traffic has increased substantially over the past 20 years. However, the amount of surface dressing per year has remained virtually unchanged. It is clear that prevention is more cost-effective than reactive maintenance. A poor road surface can lead to potentially unsafe driving conditions, exposing drivers, cyclists, and nearby pedestrians to unnecessary risk. The solution to eliminate such hazards and escalating costs is the application of surface dressing as part of a planned maintenance program. Surface dressing is suitable for application on more than 90% of the UK's roads, and for the cost of one pothole repair, 15 square metres of road could be surface dressed. It is the most cost-effective form of surface treatment available to highways asset managers, and by retexturing and sealing the road, it can reduce the whole life cost of the majority of the UK road network. Surface dressing waterproofs and seals the existing surface, preventing ingress of water, a huge factor in surface deterioration. The modern binders from the road emulsion industry and new techniques applied by the surface dressing contractors allow continual development of the process. Surface dressings produce durable, ultra-thin surfacings. This fast and economic treatment extends the intervention periods between more intrusive structural surfacing, reducing disruption to road users. Invest in a more cost-effective road surface and provide a safer, free-flowing network of roads for the benefit of the road users of the UK and help eliminate the pothole pandemic.